So my BFF Sarah and I decided to book a Canopy ziplining tour with Natives Way, which is a fantastic touring company in Costa Rica. After some safety instructions, we were on our way. And as you can tell here, Sarah was a little nervous.
Hello.
The first zip line is always kind of like an easy one, like a really short one, to prepare you for what's to come.
Yeah, you're better than me.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This was both of our first time ziplining, and we were both really nervous, but after we started going, it was quite exciting. And the scenery was fantastic. Oh my gosh. Now for this next zip line, we had to go together, and this was, I think, one of their longest zip line that was over 1 kilometer long, and it went so quickly, it kind of made us nervous actually. Now each different ziplining company has its own set of rules, but this one, they had you hold with your left hand the rope in front of you, the zip line in front of you, and with your right hand to have it over and behind you, kind of in an OK symbol, around the actual zip line to help slow you down or stop if you need to.
Okay, this is the last one.
For the last zip line, Sarah and I had to go together again, and it was so exhilarating, such a great experience. The only thing I didn't like is having to be the one to slow down or try to stop it. I don't like to have to do that. As you can see, we were literally in the Monteverde clouds. Because I couldn't see in front of me, Sarah had to tell me when to slow down and stop. Definitely a huge shout out to Natives Way. It was another fantastic tour I took with them, and I will link them in the bio.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's good. It's good.
And was it good?
Perfect. Yes.
It's finished.
And that concludes our ziplining experience. All right, let's go. Thank you.